Hello viewers, and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. New PC build from Be Quiet, exclusive all the parts. Many thanks to Be Quiet for sending me these products, more to come, so don't miss the final video of the Be Quiet PC build. Starting with the Be Quiet Silent Wings Pro 4 120 and 140mm PWM fans. Legendary silence, epic performance and features. Let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a black color it is available and on a white color. All black design combined with a high-grade fan sticker makes the Silent Wings Pro 4 a highlight in any system. The decreased distance between the fan blades and the frame enables an extraordinary higher pressure, allows the user to run even the most demanding applications. 3 speed options at the back. Medium speed is suitable for any operation that requires regular cooling performance. High speed lets the fan spin faster, providing more cooling power, and ultra high speed offers enough RPM to cool even the most demanding hardware in high-end PC builds. 3-pole fan motor with 3 phases for very low power consumption, less vibration and therefore quiet, only 36.8 decibels. And with a fluid dynamic bearing, super long fan life of up to 300,000 hours. We have 3 mounting options. To remove the hard plastic elements, press down these 2 plastics and then pull the mounting element upward. So easy to remove. Silicone rubber in here prevents any vibration. We have the cable. The cable length it is 50 cm. PWM connection. I like the thickness, the quality of the cable. The same and for the fan. It looks amazing. Great design. I like the fan blades, the design, the texture. So one option it is to connect with these brackets, install it at the fan, using of course these 4 screws. The other option to use these adapters, 4 and 4. We can see the differences. It is very easy to install. Press, click, install it. It spins this direction and the airflow goes at that direction. How you can install at your PC, it depends if you want to remove the air or insert air at your PC case. Using these adapters, again you need to use these 4 screws. And with these adapters you need to use these plastics, no screws. With washers. Again, to remove this, press these 2 plastics left and right, remove. and install the other 4 adapters. And then install that at the PC case and insert one washer inside here at the plastic. You don't want any vibration, and then just press here and it will lock. Let's say here we have the plate from the PC case, and that was all. It is so hard to remove. That means it will stay very safe inside this adapter, this pin. I like it. I think it is very helpful to have these 3 different options to mount the fan at the case. And the same thing you can do and for the 120mm. Same options. The only differences is because this is 120 and this one it is 140mm, and of course it is 3000 rpm the 120mm and 2400 rpm the 140mm, and we can see the rpm according to the adjustments from this switch, medium, high and ultra high. So let's plug it in and see how it works. Now, starting with the medium, we can see how it spins. It is so quiet, definitely. It is 40 centimeters away from the microphone. Let's go at the high speed. And again, it is so quiet. I like it. And the ultra high speed. I hear a small noise, but it is okay. And medium. High speed again. And ultra high speed. I like it. Now let's test and the 120mm. 120mm on medium speed. Again, it is very quiet. High speed. And ultra high speed. Low noise again, I like it. Of course, if you have more than one fan, then it is another story. Medium again, high, and ultra high. I like it. Good job. So, don't miss my final video of my PC build with all the Be Quiet hardware. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.